Hi and welcome to a new episode on my channel. Today I'm going to talk about my new drone backpack from Manfrotto. It's a D1. I'm going to talk about my decision, why I changed from a traditional backpack, the solution you can see here, and I'm going to show you all the possibilities you have to put the stuff you need for a race drone day in this cool new backpack. What's very important to know that this is not a special backpack for race drones. The concept is made for DJI Phantom drones, Phantom 3 and Phantom 4. As you can see it here, that's the setup, how it looks like if you use it for the Phantom drones. First, I'd like to talk about the differences between a traditional backpack, like you can see it on the left, and the Manfrotto backpack you can see on the right. My previous solution is this one, and the most obvious difference is that the regular backpack is not protecting your gear. Everything is soft, it just have thin walls, there is no protection for your gear. And that's the reason why I also had to use this additional box to put in the transmitter, to put in the goggles, and I also had to put on my quad outside the backpack. There was no possibility to put the quad inside. And on the Manfrotto, like you can see it here, all my gear is inside, also the quad, and we're just going to have a look how this looks like. So let's have a closer look at the outside of the backpack. What I really like on it is that it has like a traditional bigger backpack. It has the belt for your belly. That is really helpful if you go for a longer hike. Not only a few minutes to your spot, but a longer hike for half an hour or an hour or whatever. And this one helps really to take away the weight from your shoulders. Then you have also the chest strap, like you know it from a lot of backpacks, and you have different possibilities to fix different other stuff. And if we turn it around, we can see from the back it's pretty clean, but what you can do, you have these small stripes here and all the way down here. There is the possibility to put on velcros or other straps. You have two straps which come with the backpack like this, and with these you have the possibility to fix a second quad on the outside, perhaps also a third one if you need to. That's also a solution I really like, so you have almost unlimited possibilities to put on your gear on the outside of the backpack. This is another example how you can use the outside straps, and you can also fix clothes on it. If you have a ground station with a tripod, you can fix your ground station with a tripod on it. You can put on water bottles on the outside. Then let's have a look at the inside. At the top compartment I have put in my goggles and my LiPo bag with my batteries. There is enough space to go with, I think, up to 10 batteries and your goggles, and they're really well protected inside here. Even if you smash your backpack on the ground, nothing can happen to your gear. Then let's open the big compartment and have a look how this looks inside there. So you can see I just put in the quad. The quad is not fixed at all, but it's not necessary because it can't go anywhere. You just can put it out. It's a Tokyo X 2X from Flight Club 5-inch quad. This really fits perfect. If you go with a bigger one, 6-inch or 7-inch, I think you need to remove the props to put it in perfectly. Then you have the compartment for the radio. There is one issue. As you can see, I used the Futaba T14 SG, and this radio is pretty small, almost the size of a DJI transmitter. And if you use bigger radios like Taranis or whatever, you will probably have issues with the height, because when you look over it, it's just okay with the size of the Futaba transmitter, but probably with bigger radios you will be in trouble to go with this backpack. Then we have additional compartments on the side. There are tools inside, there are spare parts inside, and you have also a third one which you can put on front here. Everything is fixed with Velcro, so you can take away all these compartments. You can also take out all the inlay for the upper compartment and the compartment for the transmitter. It's all removable, all Velcro fixed. On the cover we have two places for phantom batteries. You can put in whatever you want, and in this small compartment I have a bunch of props, which is enough for one day of flying. And like this, I really like the inside solution I have. Only downside, as already told, the size of the compartment for the transmitter. The smaller compartment on the back is just made for a feature for the Phantom drones. You can open up the zipper and then you can put in your Phantom with upper side up, and the arms go out on these four sides, and you can carry your Phantom like this. For race drones it's not really a necessary feature. They're all fixed like this. You can open up this compartment and can open the smaller part and have the access to the inside, but I don't think that this is really helpful in case of using it for race drones. Then let's have a look at the other compartments. On both sides you have a small compartment like this where you can put small things in. I don't know exactly what, but they are pretty deep like this. So small things you can put in, and very important is this compartment here. I don't know what this thing is, but what you can put in here is up to 17-inch display notebooks, and also a separate compartment for your tablet. So this is really great if you have to edit or use Betaflight to program your drone on the field. You can take everything with you to do editing or to do Betaflight programmings on the field. Another cool feature is the rain protector. If the weather is changing quickly and you have to hike in the rain, then you can put over the rain cover. It's just with an elastic strap on it, so just pull it over and it's done, and you're good to go with hiking in the rain. Then let's check some measurements and the weight of the backpack. Here we have the internal main compartment size. On the right side we have the camera compartment. That's the upper compartment where I have my goggles and my batteries inside. Then we have external dimensions around the backpack. And here we go with a laptop compartment and the weight of the backpack. And what I'm going to do is I also show you some measurements inside for your transmitter, so that you can check if your transmitter will fit or not. So let's take out the transmitter and let's have a look at the size of this compartment. We have a width of around 22. It's a little bit flexible, so if it's a little bigger it's okay. Perhaps 23, 24 as maximum. We have a height of around 11. If you push a little bit, it's up to 12 centimeters possible, so it's a little bit flexible. So these two measurements are not really a problem, but we have the height, and the height is not that much. So here we go, and as you can see it's 18, 19 like this, and the radio which fits inside is around 17, 18. So you have a little bit of space left. Perhaps you can go up to 20 centimeters, but if your radio is wider than 20 centimeters, I don't think that it will fit inside there. So that's all about my new backpack. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy flying. Bye bye.